Welcome to my YouTube channel. I've got an Instagram horror story to share with you today, and it serves as both a lesson and a warning all in one. The story.
I had an Instagram account with more than 17,000 followers, that had taken me more than 2 years to build. I was very proud of it. One day, I woke up, and the account was gone. I couldn't get access to it, and I had an email saying that my account had been terminated for violating the community guidelines. I couldn't work out what I'd done wrong, but after a few weeks of Googling and failed appeals, I finally found out. I'd unfollowed too many accounts in quick succession.
That was an Instagram horror story from an influencer. Now, let's take a closer look at what went wrong and how you can avoid making the same mistakes. Why did Instagram terminate the influencer for unfollowing too many accounts? To Instagram, unfollowing a lot of accounts in a short period of time could mean a number of things, including: Number 1. The account has been hacked. If an account has been hacked by a hacker, they might unfollow all of the accounts it was originally following, to then follow accounts they want to follow. Sometimes, hackers will threaten to delete content or followers to hold an account to ransom. Number 2. The account is a spam or fake account. These accounts are created for the sole purpose of generating likes and follows to be bought and sold. Lots of following or unfollowing activity is commonly associated with these types of accounts. Number 3. The account has been sold. When an account is sold from one person to another, the seller usually deletes all of the content and followers first. If they don't, the buyer will usually delete the content and followers so that they can replace it with their own content and followers. Buying and selling Instagram accounts, usernames, passwords, and other account aspects violates Instagram's terms of use. Accounts suspected of doing it will be terminated. Number 4. The account is being closed down by the owner. Unfollowing a lot of people isn't a violation in itself, of course, but it is unusual activity and will attract the interest of Instagram's watchful eye. Number 5. The account is taking part in follow-unfollow activity. The follow-unfollow game is actually another violation of Instagram's community guidelines, and is an attempt to artificially inflate follower numbers. People who play the follow-unfollow game will follow a large number of accounts in quick succession, hoping that they'll follow back, and then mass unfollow the ones that don't. Almost all of these things, and many more, are enough to get an account terminated due to violations of community guidelines or terms of use. How many unfollows is too many unfollows? Nobody really knows the answer to this question, but experts believe that unfollowing more than 5 to 15 accounts in 1 hour, or 75 to 150 accounts in 1 day, is enough to trigger Instagram into taking a closer look. My advice. If you'd like my advice, I would recommend avoiding mass unfollow activity as much as possible. Definitely keep below 5 unfollows per hour though, and keep well below the approximately guessed limit of 75 unfollows per day. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.